If you have lower back pain from squatting or from weightlifting, let me tell you what you're doing wrong. That's what this video is all about. Stay tuned. Okay, so I've been seeing a lot of patients, younger men primarily, that have been complaining of lower back issues, and they are doing lunges or squatting or weightlifting. And what I am understanding from their understanding of how to do it correctly, they're actually doing it incorrectly because you're being told to stick your butt out. Let's say I'm squatting and you're sticking your butt out this way. That's what they're being told. In reality, you're actually compressing the parts of the posterior, the back portions of your spine, and you're kind of jamming them together. Instead of sticking your butt out like so, what you want to do is you want to keep your spine neutral. I've done a video on engaging the pelvic diaphragm with proper breathing. We're going to make sure that goes at the end of this video. So what you want to do is, instead of sticking your butt out, what you want to do is actually you want to make your spine straight and you lower yourself with a neutral spine. You're elongating your spine instead of compressing it. So that's the terminology that is actually giving you the wrong picture, and that's how you're hurting yourself. Be careful with how you manage these exercises. You can do great things, or you can really mess yourself up. If you have any questions, make sure you use one of the methods of contact in the description box. And if you need help, make sure to contact me. Thanks for watching. Take care.